convert the octal number 24.6 into its decimal equivalent. To yate dise amak eta octal number to hoise 24.6. Ite octal number eneka number hoy jar base hoise 8. Ekane ami ei number to bracket bhitor likhi pele yate 8 mention kori disu. To amak koise yar decimal equivalent to ki hobo. To he decimal equivalent ami uliabo lagibo. To decimal mane yar base 10 hoy. To etu ulabo karone ami ki korim number to prothomote ami likhilam. So 24 point to thakok yate 6. Okay, etia decimal pointer jonto left side ase etu ki hoy jay, etu hoy jay integer part, etu hoy jay integer part aru etu hoy jay amar fractional part, etu hoy jay amar fractional part. Etia ei bostu to ami ki koribo lagibo, amar next step to hoise ami positional weight to mention koribo lagibo, positional weight. Etia positional weight to ki ami decimal pointer left side opa arambho koru. To etu ki hobo 4 or jagat ami likhim 8 to the power 0. Next ahibo 8 to the power 1. 2 karne hobo 8 to the power 1, 4 karne hobo 8 to the power 0. Ite decimal pointer right e thaka to ki hobo, first digit to hobo 8 to the power minus 1. Next to jabo 8 to the power minus 2, 8 to the power minus 2 enaka koi goi thakibo. Jehetu ami ite positional weight to pai golo, iti ami decimal equivalent jonto amak uliabo dise, main decimal equivalent easily uliabo parim equivalent. To ki korim 2 lom, 2 multiply kori dim 8 to the power 1 logot, thik ase etu calculate korilam, plus next ase amar 4 multiply hobo 8 to the power 0 logot, thik ase, plus 6 ase 6 multiply hobo 8 to the power minus 1 logot. Okay, iti ami calculate korilo. So 2 into 8 hoy jabo amar 16, plus ephale ase 4 into 8 to the power 0, anything to the power 0 1 hoy, ta mane etu 1 hoy gol, 4 into 1 hoy jabo amar 4, plus ebar ase 6 by 8. Iti 6 by 8 mane ki hol, ami jodi etu olop simplify kori diu, 2 re jodi duita ke kori diu, etu hoy jabo 3 by 4. Iti 3 by 4 yar ki hoise 0.75. to ami etu kobo parim je 6 into 8 to the power minus 1 hoy jabo 0.75. so guti khinik add kori diu, add korile ami ki pam 16 aru 4 hoy jabo 20 aru ephale ase 0.75. to tar mane ei jonto number dise 24.6 octal number to here decimal equivalent hoy jabo 20.75.